Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuhu. Mbadi mon bal be tentulam bal jayla. Hankabi Classroom Chronicles lenata pour ka na karandiro continendi kamin ke jang wate wadi kamol ke enlighten especially teacher mi yana ko be filo kono bi natale pour ka yitandiro kala alballa questionol albe set la nyamen easily alte batal ni exam o sutiyara teacher jamal kabata dol laptop o table dol han mobile phone table pour ka safero ke han nata be buli malay ba kala nyamen bar bi natala pour ka wala yitandal min generation o min kono musela questional phone type no yeda da phone ay correct atara phone imam penosika mbo kala nyaadi le mbo yitan lalale ñing video ñing kono just mbe sulalal bulu minna walen ali subscribe ali like ali share pour mo jamal fanan sa kalam to min bikeri most especially teacher so ngana time mo mendi nga dunga kono ChatGPT mbe ngalon ne ChatGPT amanke lun tamati bi mbe yintilo min kono ni nata kono sainteng ko nga jay yele nyame isulata fengol fen jumal la pour ka nyindo ko ke number 1 isulata mobile o la isulata mobile o la le mobile o ibe sulala la munela wala pour ka kela page sol ke netal comme ça fait nim pamphlet o be bulu ka pamphlet o nyin netal ila fa page min questionnaire min settled from that page the page min snap wala ya scan from a scanner ya inita nyinan inita laptop o fanan ni man laptop o so de sa keno ni la mobile o fanan is okay mobile o fanan ka keno la yeah is also okay ning emo fanan sotono still na ye mobile ye laptop o soto sambina wala yitandi ba kala nyami ning inata ngabe setle already sign just ka jibele ngata ni nata ChatGPT ni asa fe jan ChatGPT then abe optional nat len so from here then you do ye log in yela email ota ye log in from that to that account ChatGPT kontenga ka nyame already because it's already here now from there isulata minna wala Google Lens afele wala nyinti niya amajang isulata page minna yaw upload ye page min snap already say binala ya upload here jang say ngana ji wabe kala nyame although na page so mesulala minna ya sa yabla ay load abe load kanne maybe some few seconds or minutes na apiata be keleten say the next step inyanta min kela walen ka text nyinta this is the text ibabat lay settle na lota fa settle ta ye text nyinta yeah say ye text nyin highlight ebe text nyin ta sign about be highlight le then from there you can select it I will not jang select text select all text near select then yana ya copy copy le already because you do majanjela itandiko text copied so yana to ChatGPT jang ya copy ya paste so niya nyinke already ni pareta ibe nyim bondi la jele nying saferol mi yalan ko be duma jang ni wonten asita AI nying asa confuse nole ngabe bondi jele so after ye instruction o diala ibe instruction o min dira wala misal fe niko give me 10 objective questions 10 objective question from the note 10 objective question from the note I prefer yeah fine make it simple yeah, 5, make it simple. Yeah, make it simple. 10 objective question. You can essentially add no gelatin objective question from the note with their answers later from A to D. Sorry. Yeah, from A to D. So make it simple. Then you enter press. Sangana jibe mimbina tamalaja. Yeah, the question on filake natin ng killing. So from here, then isina jibe nata ila next step auto ibe minkela yana ya copy then ya paste ila Microsoft Word or anything min be bulu ite sa transfer no minto kata ka print. Exactly. Your 10 question on me file I will not yananja. Sign from here. The other step ibe minkela waleng you go over it. Go over it one by one because sometimes aka language me use aka kulia aka heavy dinewal male because this is artificial intelligence ita fono la ñina intelligent data fonti so aka language me use aka heavy le sa isa fono ko ita ñin comme ça let me read the question you see. What event is associated with the ear of the elephant? Is simple, you see. Isa fono the answer is I answer nati dumaja. B, letter B is the answer. That is Abraham's attempt to destroy the Kaaba. So nimu number 1 net. Ina G number 2 fananto because konga fo nyameng sometimes language ning AI ka language me use aka kulia bakelen tolla na normal fankot especially ningatra ila vocabulary mang siya wo nyama so ube disturb la be batan la bakel. Yeah, but at least ning idunta kono ya be verify killing then ibajela ko abe correct la pour ya ta ya save ila fankodo. So in the next step be min kala wala ya copy ya highlight then ya copy then ila Microsoft Word, you see. Yeah, another one open another page ya paste abe felaga. For example, niti nininka pour how many questions they produce, just like Nico 100 questions or 20 questions. Ibe min kela just each page. Ibitala each page ila buko ila pamphlet onyinto isura taka questional tanan damento yo snap just like ngani min kela. You have all these pages mi yanon ko nge snap ne and it's a questional bondino ibe kono le. You see, nimbe mu pages all that. Semin keno. It's a questional bondino nimbe to le. So it's depend ite ba iba tala no damento. Iba tala no damento then a question abstract from there. So to go over it again, even need lebe sula minna wala number 1 is sula da funol. Ibe sula da funol la pour ñing kamala ke page sol ñing ke snap or scanner ka page sol ñing scan. Number 2 you need internet. Yanta internet also dalal. Number 3 you need to sign into ChatGPT. Number 4 you need a Google Chrome la your Google Chrome need a laptop and so on. You often need so these are the things me alan ko dal ni soto is a questionnaire set no through ila laptop wala ila phone fango isa set no through the phone atre mambata ni janjen you have ChatGPT here. So ngamin use jang the same thing bina apiala funo fankono because nga ChatGPT soto janne funo nyin kono nga soto laptop nyin fankono. So let's go and see ning ye janje questionol ñim fele nga min bijang the same thing wala appear ja because everything is synchronized. So near full also your laptop also resolve. Okay, you can set your questions easily after Imam Batafam. So I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it also. So no need to worry. The exam wato sita pour que la question ni ta ka set ka sa feni bulola. Just be mindful. Yamaroleng near set ni parida go over it. Go over it because sometimes ibukalo AI language oni dinol sometimes aka kuliyati le ba ke fam but at least ningata itata you go over it yaje ko dami yalan ko dinol te je understand na you can use your own language te famo ila dinol dalta minna ya edit yow dundi je dinol sena ya understand so hankabi kala hakilo blandi ko classroom chronicles lang ala try ala subscribe ala like ala comment ala share fana so mbala comment sol batukan down in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.